And so when you're on a sales call and somebody has a reason to make a change in their life and your product is a solution to that problem, you have to get them talking about the pain. So there are things in life that we want to change, but we have to be motivated to change it. And just like when you watch a movie that makes you cry when you watch the movie or when you deeply talk about that movie. You don't cry when you see a poster for it. You don't cry when somebody asks if you've ever seen the movie. You don't cry when you just happen to know that you've seen the movie. You cry when you watch that emotional movie or when you deeply talk about it. Because in order for us to experience pain, we have to talk about it. We have to experience about it. We have to have it go through our minds. And so when you're on a sales call and somebody has a reason to make a change in their life and your product is a solution to that problem, you have to get them talking about the pain. You have to get them to live the pain. You have to get them to watch the movie. And that's why when somebody says, oh, you know, I want to do this because I want to have more time outside of my business. I want to be able to take my kid to Disney World. You don't just leave it there. You ask, you say, oh, did your kid see some commercials on Disney? How would he even know about Disney? Oh yeah, he sees the commercials and he says, Daddy, I want to go to Disney World. Oh, wow. So how old is he? He's 3. Has he been to Disney World yet? No, I haven't got a chance to take him. And then you notice how later when I said, well, listen, your kid's 3 and soon he'll be 4 and then he'll be 6 and then he'll be 10 and then he'll be 12. When are you wanting to fix this? Notice how every single thing I said was designed to get you to live that pain. Because if you live that pain, that creates the motivation to make a change. And when you have the motivation to make a change, if the product solves the problem, you buy.